and welcome back to Get Fit by 50. I'm Mark Lee. Here's another episode of Fatty Flips Again. You know, I had to lose over 60 pounds to fit back on roller coasters again, and I've done it. But my goal is to lose 100 pounds or more before I turn 50 years old on February 26, 2021. I'm over 63% there right now in 23 weeks, so I'm way ahead of schedule. I'm not even to the 50% of the year mark yet. It's close, but I'll probably be 70 pounds or something by then, which will be great. But please watch my weekly weight loss results videos. So, I need all the support I can get. So please hit the like button on this video and click that subscribe button to be notified of new videos. And please follow me on all the social media links in the description below. All right, so let's go on some thrill rides at Busch Gardens, Tampa, Florida. In this episode, we're gonna go on the Tigris, which is the newest roller coaster opened at Busch Gardens. And it's a launch coaster that goes back and forth launching until it flips you over. It's the highest launch coaster there is, 150 feet in the air, which it does some crazy turns and you're going backwards, forwards, kind of don't even really know what the hell is going on. It's a mind bender. We're gonna ride it 2 times, once in the regular, like row 2, and then once in the front. So let's hit the Tigris.
And secure it firmly to your legs. Then secure the comfort collar to your lap bar. Once the comfort collar during your ride, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs down inside the train with your head back against the headrest.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the Tigris POV, for the health and safety of our guests and ambassadors, and in compliance with CDC guidelines, we ask that you wear your mask.
All right, we're going on the Tigris
during the ride cycle. Your mask or face covering must cover both your mouth and nose at all times.
I have no clue what this ride does, but apparently it goes back and forth through this little area.
We thank you in advance for your cooperation and hope you have a great
new
day
to me.
at Busch Gardens.
Here we go! Holy crap! Uh-oh. We're going up. We're going back. We're going back down. Oh, shit! Oh! Holy crap! What the hell? Oh, shit! Holy crap! Oh, man! No, shit! Oh! What the hell? Oh, that was a mind blast. I think I gotta go on that one again. How the hell do you get out of it?
Congratulations, you've conquered Tigris.
Yeah, I did.
Please unbuckle and lift
That was a
collar and lap bar.
Can I get out of it?
Quickly and carefully to your right. Thank you for riding Tigris and have fun.
I conquered Tigris.
Important guests, step
I don't even know what the hell happened.
The seat that's directly in front of you. Hold the comfort prior to sitting.
I don't know what the hell happened. That was like a mind fart there. That was... Oh. What the hell was that? I've never been on that one. That was a good one. I think I'm going right back in line. Holy crap. I'm not sure I fully understand that one. I'm going... Go ahead. Y'all were already in the same motion. Go.
Get up top, then we have to take the head off and hold on to it on the ride.
I'm returning on that one. That one was insane. I don't even know what the hell happened. Tigris. Redo the Tigris.
In front of you.
You guys can
Hold the comfort collar up prior to
I'll get on this side so it's easier for you when I get out.
Just do me a favor before you put your lap bar down. Your glasses are going to have to get put in the pocket.
Oh no, they're not going anywhere. Oh no, I just came off this ride a second ago.
Go ahead and pull down for me.
Oh, see, you did it yourself. Thank you. All right. Front row Tigris. I had to do this one again. Had to. This one was insane. I was not expecting the front back, but it just launches you and launches you.
Smoking or vaping in the queue line is not permitted. No use articles are permitted on Tigris. Cell phones, hats, umbrellas, and unsecured glasses must be placed in a locker located just outside the end. Boarding guests, step carefully but quickly into the seat that's directly in front of you.
Alright.
During your ride, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the train, with your head back against the headrest.
This whole area used to be called the tidal wave. It was a crazy, I don't know, 30-foot drop wave flume crap thing, but now it's the Tigris. They're taking a lot longer to buckle people in this time. This will be the only time I can get on. Oh, here we go! Oh, shit! Yeah, straight up in the air, and we're going backwards. Jesus. And we're flipping really slow! Really high, too! And we're going straight down! Oh, Lord. Oh, man. That is just the funnest thing ever. Wow. Good job, Busch Gardens, or whoever made this ride.
Congratulations.
Conquered Tigris twice. Well worth it. What a freaking amazing ride.
Exit quickly and carefully to your right. Thank you for riding Tigris.
Amazing ride. That thing's awesome. Well, that was fun. Thanks for watching another episode of Get Fit by 50's Fatty Flips Again. That's me. Soon to not be fatty. But be sure to check out all my other POV thrill ride videos too. So have a wonderful day. Be safe out there. Hit that subscribe button. And please, please remember to use your damn turn signals. Thanks for watching Get Fit by 50. Please subscribe to my channel and also follow us on the social links listed in the description below. And why don't you go ahead and watch another one of our videos.